His Excellency had an interesting conversation with these young people who brought a cup they won in East African Division, Zone 5, where there was a number of actually 10 teams that were participating. They won the cup, so they brought the cup to His Excellency, the President of the Republic. He congratulated them for showing exceptional talent despite lack of funds, but he promised that he will do whatever necessary. He actually invited all Burundians to help financially to help these young people, not just in handball, but across all sports. He promised that stadia will be built. There is a stadium being completed in Gitega. Indoor one, there is a stadium being built in Ware Stadium for football, which he said will be completed in June next year. And across the board, a lot of things are being done to encourage these young people. He actually gave an example of this young man who's just developed social media, which is doing very well on the internet. Another thing is whichever they will need financially or in terms of support, His Excellency will help them, especially that they will be participating in the World Cup that will take place in Croatia next year.